Good morning. Different video, different style. Roughly 2 weeks ago something happened to my bike. I discussed it a little bit with the Belgium Discord and with the DMC app group and whatever other people, and I found a solution. I wanted to fix it, and then I decided, you know what, if life gives you lemons, let's make lemonade. So this video was actually me making lemonade, with a small shout out to the LockPickingLawyer. Why that shout out? Well, you shall see in a second. So this was somebody's sixth sense of humor. Don't know. I found this in the morning and kind of irritated about it, of course. But the solution is easier than you would anticipate. So I made sure the wheel was in lock and that the lock was all the way down again. Then we grabbed 2 big wrenches, the biggest that you can possibly fit in there, and add them at a 90-degree angle. Why, we will explain in a second. And you will want to get the biggest one that you can fit, so we can go bigger than this, of course. It's a famous trick to do it in parallel to each other, but this is easier in the 90-degree angle. Okay, first try. Now I can get a bigger one in there. So 2 big ones. Use the fattest part of the wrench, of course. It's the strongest part. This is why you use them in a 90-degree angle.
If we had to choose the weak parts of this lock, I'd probably start with these little cutouts in the shackle where the locking lugs go. So if we can redirect the extreme forces exerted by these wrenches to those parts of the lock, I think we have a trick that could probably scale up to some stronger locks.
So let's try. Is it really that easy? It is success! Hell yeah! Thanks to the LockPickingLawyer. You can see it broke off inside on the pressure point. This is not really sharp. This is sharper. You can still see one piece in there. Like anticipated, it broke off right at the smallest part. At the weakest point of the lock. So, thank you for watching this lemonade